easier for girls to get over breakups than it is for guys. It just is. And I know every fucking time there's a girl that says that shit, it's always like, because guys don't have, it's way easier for guys because guys don't have emotions. What do you think, there's just fucking plasma running through our chest? Like, oh, the humanoid I was with for 4 years left. Fuck it. Like, we have feelings. There's fucking feelings in here. This girl's still shaking her head like, no, I don't know where you've been meeting dudes. Some of us cry, okay? Some of us fucking cry. But...
I think with their dick, not with their head.
Oh, it's a fucking gender war in this bitch. They think with their dicks. Do you think I wrote any of these jokes with my dick? For girls to get over breakups, man, because every song on the radio is geared towards girls getting over guys. Everything in popular culture. Like, listen to any song on the radio about a girl leaving a guy. It's like, oh yeah, my boyfriend left me today. Fuck him, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna key his car, blow his friends. He was a piece of shit anyway, you know? I don't care if he was a doctor, I don't care if he was an astronaut, I don't care if he was a doctor-astronaut. Fuck that guy. And it's so hard for guys, because every song on the fucking radio is a guy crying about some girl. Every single one. Every song for a guy is like, get her back, man. Get her back. She's the best girl you're ever gonna find. Ever. Plus, the whole relationship was your fault anyway. Like, yeah, she cheated on you, but you walked into the room. You shouldn't have walked into the room. But she was fucking cheating.